Hi friends, we are back today with motif number 29 from the Irish Crochet book. Motif looks something like this. Quite a nice little filler pattern. So we are using a 3.5mm crochet hook to make the pattern, and the pattern will look something like this. It's quite a nice little filler pattern. This motif does indeed require for us to work on padding cord. I'm using a bright orange padding cord so you can see what I'm doing. Ideally, you would be using the same colour padding cord as your yarn that you're crocheting around the padding cord with. If you're not familiar with padding cord, you want to learn more about it, there is a video in this playlist that explains more about padding cord, why to use it, how to use it, where it originates from, etc. Go ahead and check that out. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. It just helps other crocheters find my videos. Let's get into it. Go ahead and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain like that, and we're going to drop 8 single crochets in this center space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go ahead, slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain like so. Now we need to attach the padding cord, so I'm going to grab the padding cord and I'm literally just going to go through it like this. Take my primary colour yarn, chain 1. I control the padding cord with the bottom left of my hand and the primary yarn with the top of my hand. We're going to drop 10 single crochet around the padding cord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 like that. Now we're going to head on over into the next chain, which is right there, and we're going to single crochet. Don't forget the padding cord, so I'm just single crocheting around it like that. There we go. We're going to repeat this same thing another 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into the next chain, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then a single crochet like that. So your work should be looking something like that. And we are going to go ahead and single crochet all around until we get back to here. Very much taking the padding cord with us. Please do not forget the padding cord. And slip stitch into the last chain space there. That is what this motif looks like. It's quite a nice little pretty piece if you've got gaps to fill with your Irish crochet projects, and you could potentially do different colours that would really stand out. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye bye.